Gamers, are you tired of overpriced gaming gear that promises the world but leaves you disappointed? What if I told you that for the price of just a single premium mouse, you can get a full RGB backlit gaming keyboard and a programmable gaming mouse, both designed for performance, comfort, and style? Meet the Redragon S101 gaming keyboard and M601 mouse combo, one of the most talked about budget-friendly gaming value kits of 2025. Whether you're a competitive gamer looking for speed and precision or a casual player wanting a stylish setup without breaking the bank, this combo has everything you need. From 7 RGB lighting effects to anti-ghosting keys, multimedia controls, ergonomic wrist support, and a programmable high DPI gaming mouse, this set is designed to give you pro-level performance at an entry-level price. And the best part? It works seamlessly with almost every PC gaming setup. Are you searching for the best budget gaming keyboard and mouse combo that delivers performance, style, and durability? Look no further. The Redragon S101 wired gaming keyboard and M601 RGB mouse combo is the all-in-one gaming value kit that every PC gamer needs in their setup. RGB backlit gaming keyboard. With 7 dynamic lighting modes, 6 backlight effects, 4 brightness levels, and adjustable breathing speed.